Alright, I'm going to just do a quick walk around here. Just a quick 360 of the truck. Hit some close-up areas across the front here. I'm going to try to point out these spots I sent you photos of. I seriously doubt they're even going to show in the video. See, the tires are virtually new, very little tread loss on them, no curb spots on the wheel. That is the driver's side front. Go here to the driver's side rear. Same thing, plenty of tread, no curb spots on the wheel. Show you how nice and clean everything is up underneath here. To the passenger side rear, which you kind of have some shots up in the wheel well. Again, no curb spots on the wheels. We'll move up to the front. Plenty of tread. No curb spots on the wheels. Get a quick view inside the bed. All the carpeting is really nice, like brand new. Quick look across the rear tailgate. And up on top of the bed cover. Take a look at the inside. The inside of the truck is like brand new. You can see the exact miles, 4,956. Like everything in here is like brand new. This does have the amp power drop down side steps. Take a look at the back. Still have the factory Shelby floor mats, the regular floor mats in the plastic. Over here to the passenger side. buffer on a couple of these spots. Right here, it's all, those two spots that were there are gone. Go back here on the rear. We had one spot right here, that's gone, and the other spot right here is gone. Up on the front fender, the spot was right here, it's buffed all out as well. Some video here inside the engine bay. We didn't get a chance to wipe down in here, but when we do a detail on it, this will all get wiped down.